Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a full drugstore sweat-proof summer makeup tutorial. So if you guys are interested in this video, make sure to keep on watching. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, click that subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you guys could get notified each time I upload, and join my glam fam. And with that being said, let's just jump right in. So the first product I'm going to be using is the Garnier Skin Active Facial Spray. This acts as a primer too because it does have glycerin in it, so it'll kind of hold on to that makeup a little bit longer just to make sure that it is lasting throughout the day. For foundation, I'll be using the CoverGirl Outlast Active Foundation. This claims to be 24-hour wear, sweat-proof, transfer-proof, and humidity-proof. So this will be perfect for today's video because you want to make sure that it is lasting all day and that it will fight against the sweat and humidity and other things like that. So I'm going to be going in with a foundation brush and just go in. I wish I did buy one shade darker, but that's okay. I can do that at another time. But this formula seems really good. I like that it's not like really matte because most long wear foundations tend to be like really matte and it just doesn't really agree with my skin type. So I like that this has a really natural touch to it. So I do like that. For concealer, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Full Wear Concealer. This also does claim to be waterproof. So we're going to put this under the eyes. This is full coverage, so it does have a little bit more of like a matte finish to it. But that's okay with me. I'm going to go back in with that same foundation brush and just blend this out. My hair, oh my lord. I need a clip or something. So now that we have our base, I'm going to set it with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder. I love this stuff because it is very lightweight. Like you're not feeling like you have a bunch of cake on your face, but it also does last all day long. So the staying power on this powder is amazing. So I'm going to go in with my brush and set the places that I put that concealer. For bronzer, I'm going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Powder. This is just a normal face powder, but I did pick it up in a deeper shade so that I can use it for bronzer. So this will make sure that I have a long-lasting bronzer. So as you can see, there's a shimmer bronzer shade on the top and then a matte bronzer shade on the bottom, but I'm just going to kind of mix it all together and go in with that. I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to contour my nose. This time I'm just going to be using the matte shade. So in my collection, the only long-wearing blush I do have is one from the brand of Tarte, which is not a drugstore one, but if you are looking for a long-wearing blush, make sure to check out this brand. I really do like it. But for today's video, I'm going to just go in with the Milani blush. This does not claim to be long wearing at all, but I think it'll work for today's video. I'll just go in with a setting spray over top. I just really like this blush for the summertime. because it's a really pretty color, and it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, so it'll add some like glow to your skin. For brows today, I'll be going in with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pencil, and this does claim to be transfer proof and smudge proof, so let's check this out. So as you can see, it has like little, let me get you guys all zoomed in there. So it has like little bristles on it, so it'll look like hair when you're applying it. So for eyeshadow, I just want to do something kind of simple and summery, so I'll be jumping in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. And the first shade I'll be using is this one right here. This is the shade Pukey, and I love this one because it's a great neutral transition shade. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Bean right here, and I'm actually going to be going in with my finger for this one, just a little bit at a time, and work this into the inner corner of the eye. I'm going to go back in with that shade Pukey and just kind of clean up a little bit. And then with a pencil brush, I'll be going in with this shade right here next. And I'll be doing this one on my lower lashes. So now that I have all my powders down, I'm going to go in with a quick coat of setting spray. This is the Morphe one. It's my favorite. And while the face is a little bit wet still with that setting spray, it just adds that extra little tackiness to hold on to highlighter. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Next for eyeliner, I'm going in with the Essence Superstay Matte Ink Eyeliner. All right, this part I need full concentration. For mascara, I'm going in with my favorite L'Oreal Lash Paradise waterproof mascara. For lashes today, I'm going in with my absolute favorite. These are the Ardell Wispies, just the original Wispies. I love them so much. And I'll be going in with my favorite Duo Lash Glue for them. So as I thought, my batteries did die on my camera when I was in the middle of gluing on my lashes. So right now I'm going in with a coat of Lower Lash Mascara. Why can't I talk? I'm going to blend together my false lashes and my real lashes too with just one more coat of mascara. To make the eyes pop just a little bit more, I'm going in with my Essence Extreme Lasting Waterproof Eye Pencil. This is 16-hour wear. And I love this one because I cry every day. And it doesn't budge. I'm going to go in with setting spray one more time just to make sure that this is lasting all day long. That is the whole point of this video. Make it last. Last, I'm going to go in with this LA Girl lip liner. This is a Intense Stay Auto Liner. So this is an all-day wear too. And last step, I'm going in with the Kylie Cosmetics Candy K Matte Lipstick. Alright guys, I think that will wrap up today's video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below. Leave a comment, share some love, and I will hopefully see you guys soon. Bye.
That is a goddamn great wing. Can we just appreciate that real quick?